Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are proud to present to you this beautiful Suzuki Ignis 1.2 mild hybrid Sz5. The Sz5 is the top of the range. It's a two-owner car with full main dealer service history. It's in the neon blue metallic with the lovely black alloy wheels. I'm going to take you to the back and show you the boot. This is a four-seater car. When I open the boot, I've taken the parcel shelf out. You can see the boot has plenty of space, and you can make more by sliding the rear seats forward and backwards. It has a high stance and it is easy to enter and exit. It has a height adjustable driver's seat. Before you take delivery of the car, it will be fully serviced and come with a 12-month MOT carried out by our factory trained technicians. So let me show you inside. It has keyless entry and keyless start, making it easy to get into. And as we look in the cabin, we can see the 7-inch multimedia screen which houses the satellite navigation, the Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and a vast array of DAB radio stations. When you put the car into reverse gear, it'll show you the colour reversing camera. Going down, we have the air conditioning, and further down you can see a USB port where you can stream your music on your phone into the audio system. Going onto the steering wheel, you can see it's multifunctional. You can change the radio stations, the volume, use the voice recognition Bluetooth, and you have cruise control with limiter. Please come down, give us a call, have a look at the car online, ask for a virtual test drive, come down and have a test drive. Anything you need to know, please let us know. Thank you. Bye bye.